Thursday night, a foggy mist has fallen. The sealed door of my mind is opening, and tendrils of smoggy consciousness have entered. Multicoloured tones of shadowy grey slide oilily across the landscape, one colour yet many. I peer into the shades, and through their movement I perceive the vanishing point, almost imperceptibly drawing all sound, matter and light steadily towards it. This place is full of emotion, yet still empty. All the feelings are there, but they are anti-sucking emotion in. They've gone through emotionless and come out the other side. What is this in the centre point? A shining light, a swirling portal, nay, a park slide, in place yet not fitting. Its colours, green and yellow, they do not shift, they do not move, they stay where they are put, where I see them. My mind wanders. Yet it always returns to the slide, and then I see. To see what I have seen, to see what I see. To sleep, perchance to dream. Yet no delusions of grandeur can hide the awful truth of the park slide.